used to think life would finally feel good when everything was sorted, when my backlogs would be cleared, when my work would be finished, when I would finally feel on track. But recently I realized something. Life is not a checklist which you finish and then start living. Life is happiness when everything is incomplete. Hi, so this is not a motivational video. I just wanted to sit and talk because lately I've been thinking a lot about how romanticizing life actually changed me. And not in an aesthetic way, not in a perfect morning routine way, but in a very real, slightly chaotic, and human way. For a long time, I was stuck in this mindset. I kept telling myself, first, I will finish my pending work, then, I will focus on improving my skills, then, I will become better, and then life will feel organized. I was trying to complete life one task at a time, like clearing levels in a game. But the strange thing is, new things kept coming. More goals, more responsibilities, and more expectations. And eventually, then I realized there is no moment when everything completely becomes done. Life doesn't pause and say, okay, now you may start enjoying. You have to carry everything forward together. Right now, honestly, I have a lot to do. Studies, responsibilities, personal goals, things I want to improve in myself. And earlier, that used to stress me. But now, something has changed. Instead of waiting for the peace, I started finding meaning in the busyness. Because my real life is this, where I'm trying, managing, learning, feeling, improving, all at once. And strangely, I started liking it. I have had many big moments in my life, like competitions, events, and those moments felt huge, like movie scenes. And for a long time, I felt those were the moments, those were the only moments worth romanticizing. The competitions, the awards, the recognition, the stage lights. But now I see something different. Those moments are definitely beautiful, but those are just the tiny parts of the story. Because most of life is not standing on a stage, most of life is practice, rehearsals, effort that nobody sees. And I realized I don't want to romanticize only success, I want to romanticize becoming. Now, this might sound strange to you, but recently I started loving the stress of having work. That feeling I have to do this, and this too. Earlier it felt overwhelming, but now it feels alive. There is something beautiful about being busy with purpose. After knowing you are moving somewhere, even if you are tired, I think I stopped seeing stress as pressure and started seeing it as that I care about my life deeply. And honestly, working in that chaos has started feeling exciting. Romanticizing life for me is no longer about perfect moments. It is about appreciating the version of myself who is still trying to figure out, studying even when I don't feel like it, managing responsibilities, trying again tomorrow. It is realizing that growth doesn't happen when life becomes easy. Growth happens inside the imperfect, busy days. I don't think life suddenly becomes meaningful one day. I think meaning appears when you stop waiting for the perfect phase. When you start valuing the effort, the journey, and the path itself. Maybe romanticizing life is not about making life look beautiful. Maybe it's about realizing even this unfinished, messy, hardworking version of life is already worth romanticizing. See you in the next one.